My message to SIDBI and to every banker here is that standard products cannot serve non-standard businesses. A farmer-linked enterprise does not earn every month. A resort does not earn evenly through the year. A garment exporter waits for payment after shipment. A small auto component supplier waits for invoice clearance. A woman entrepreneur may have regular transactions yet no property in her name. Then why should all of them be given the same repayment structure? This is where SIDBI must lead. Credit must be designed around the business cycle of the enterprise.